Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial, and I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, how to roll emoji, and today I am going to be showing us how I created this buckle slide. I already taught us how to create the pattern, and today we're going to be learning how to put them all together. Sit back and I'm gonna be right back. Now, since we already know how to create our patterns, this is the pattern I've created. The upper, I've taught us how we can create upper in different ways. I'm going to be using a rubber sole. I've prepared my insole. Now, don't forget I told us during the creation of the pattern that we're going to be using a buckle. So, for those of us who are just watching my channel for the first time, I'm sure you might not know the measurements we use for our tongue slides. Also, we are making use of 5 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. So all you need to do is just go ahead and punch. After punching, you are going to be ensuring that you duplicate it on the other insole. Actually, you can use a plier or use a normal, the round open. So I'm just going to be duplicating it on the second leg right away. Now guess what? I have a great news to share with us. So I needed to wait till the end and know what this great news is going to be all about. So let's quickly insert it. You can see I'm using a smaller round punch to push it in, just to make it easy for me. Now when I was cutting the pattern, I did not put the tongue. So it was when I wanted to create this, I decided to add a tongue to it. If you don't know what a tongue means, please let me know in the comment section. We have applied our contact cement adhesive. Now it's dry. It's dry. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. So as you can see, all you need to do is just to go ahead and last. It's a beautiful gift for a mother in love, for a mother, or for a friend this Christmas season. It's a beautiful buckle sandal. I want you to know that even without a shoe last, you can create this. I've always told us that all I do is make shoemaking easy for you. So just patiently, this will patiently align. As long as you have fixed the tongue, the other part of the upper of our buckle slide will perfectly align. I'm going to be putting the link to the pattern in this video. So, to the great news, if you've been enjoying my channel, please say hi. Now, I want to say thank you for joining for subscribing to my channel. I want to believe that one way or the other, you have been blessed and you have enjoyed it. I am so grateful to God for blessing me with you, and I'm saying this from the depth of my heart because I believe it's a privilege to be able to impact other people's life and make their business grow. So I am actually asking you this season to actually support my business. Now, one of the reason my channel, one of the reason for this is because I want to have a more cordial relationship with my YouTube subscribers. I don't just want to leave it with, I present or I publish a particular video, you just watch, you ask questions and go. I want to take the relationship to another level. I want us to have a kind of community where you can ask me questions directly. You can actually find yourself, asking me whatever thing you think you want to do and you think you need a kind of advice. So I have decided to create a membership forum for as many who would love to support my business. It's actually a different level. So I need you to check the perks that are available for each of the levels. It's so amazing that I am willing to transfer as much as I know to as many people who are going to cordially join this membership. Now I need you to take note. This is not going to be affecting the free videos on my channel. It's not going to be affecting the quality of the videos. It's not going to be affecting my capacity to respond to your questions. But I want you to know that if you indeed want to transform your life to another level, your business to another level, in the coming year, I will actually suggest that you check the join button and see what level you are going to be able to comfortably join. And I want you to know, for each membership level you have a valuable things even to enjoy. We're going to be having live streams. We are going to be having questions and answers. We're going to be having chats. I'm going to be communicating to you in the community specially. So what do I intend to gain from this? I want to be able to breed more, shoemakers who can stand upright, either it's a man or it's a woman, and say, yes, indeed, God has used this to actually expand my entire life. Now, check the join button, check the perks available, and go ahead and join the membership, and let's take it to another level. And I still remain your shoemaking mate, is a tutor. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye. Now let's go back to our buckle slide. Bye. Okay. Now all I'm going to be doing is just applying my contact cement adhesive on my sole and the upper now that I'm through with my lacing process. So after that, when I leave it for some time and it's dry and tacky, I'm going to go ahead and bottom it. This particular buckle slide is actually something that you can lay your hands on. You can see I bought an already made rubber, so please, I need you to get yourself so acquainted with my channel. There are a lot of things to learn on this channel. I will advise you don't download. Please stop downloading so many and not watching them. I don't want you to be so much in a hurry that you are not patiently following every details and every instruction I give to you on my channel. They will help you to grow very fast and expand your business. Now, as you can see, I'm going to be using my hand to press them down, and at the end of the day, I'll be using hammer to enhance the bonding. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. And also my membership, you are all invited. I want you to check out the perks available. I'm making myself available like never before. See you next time. Bye.